Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly special, an in-depth look at the 2025 Mercedes-Benz lineup. Mercedes-Benz has always stood at the pinnacle of automotive luxury, engineering, and innovation, but 2025 marks a turning point in its storied history. From cutting-edge electric mobility to advanced autonomous features and jaw-dropping design language, the 2025 range isn't just evolution, it's a revolution. If you're a car enthusiast, luxury seeker, or tech lover, buckle up, because what you're about to see from Mercedes-Benz is next level. The journey of Mercedes-Benz has always been about defining and redefining automotive excellence. And as we move deeper into the electric age, Mercedes isn't following trends, they're setting them. In 2025, nearly every major vehicle in their fleet now comes with a hybrid or all-electric variant, reinforcing their goal to become fully electric by 2030. But this isn't just about slapping an electric motor into a car and calling it a day, this is about rethinking what a luxury car can be in a modern, connected, and sustainable world. Let's begin with the electric side of the house, because that's where things get truly electrifying, literally. The EQ lineup continues to expand with finesse. The 2025 EQE and EQS sedans have undergone a design refresh, with sleeker profiles, enhanced aerodynamics, and improved battery tech. The EQE now boasts a real-world range of up to 700 kilometers, while the EQS pushes the limits with an astonishing 800-kilometer range on a single charge, thanks to the next-gen lithium-silicon battery cells and an intelligent regenerative braking system that adapts to driving patterns in real time. Performance-wise, these aren't just electric, they're electric rockets. The AMG EQE and AMG EQS versions come with dual-motor setups that churn out up to 750 horsepower. That means 0 to 60 in under 3.5 seconds, while you're surrounded by cabin materials that feel more like a 5-star hotel than a vehicle. The steering feels laser-sharp, the torque is instant, and the silence of the electric powertrain makes the speed feel surreal. It's like being shot out of a cannon while sitting on a leather recliner with ambient lighting and a massage. And speaking of cabins, 2025 introduces the new generation MBUX Hyperscreen 2.0. This is no ordinary infotainment system. Imagine a seamless, ultra-wide curved screen that stretches from pillar to pillar, integrating instrument clusters, entertainment, navigation, AI voice controls, and even augmented reality overlays on the windshield.